In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. Whether you're working on a design project for work, school, or just for fun, knowing how to edit images effectively can really enhance your creativity and productivity. So stay tuned as I walk you through this simple process that only takes a few minutes. To kick things off, make sure you have Canva open in your browser and that you're logged into your account. This process is especially beneficial if you have Canva Pro, as we'll be using some features exclusive to this premium tier. Once you're logged in, go to the project you're working on, or start a new design by clicking on Create a Design. Now, let's upload the image you want to edit. If it's already in your design, you're one step ahead. Simply click on the image once to select it. This will highlight the image with a blue border indicating that it's ready for editing. Next, you need to head over to the Edit menu. This option usually appears at the top of your workspace. Click on Edit to open up the different editing tools that Canva offers. Keep your eyes on the diverse options, but the feature we're interested in today is the Magic Eraser, which is available under the Edit menu for Canva Pro users. If you're using the free version of Canva, this would be a great opportunity to trial Canva Pro, as it unlocks a plethora of features that could elevate your design work. But assuming you've got Canva Pro, find the Magic Eraser tool and click on it. It's straightforward and easy to locate. It'll be in the toolbar that opens up when you enter the edit mode. Now, here comes the fun part. With the Magic Eraser tool selected, you can simply use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the part of the image you want to erase. Click and drag over the area to witness the Magic Eraser in action. This tool intelligently detects the area you're aiming to remove and applies the necessary changes seamlessly. You'll notice that the unwanted part of the image gradually disappears, leaving a clean canvas for more of your creativity. Take your time here, as getting comfortable managing the eraser's size and precision can make a big difference in the final result of your image. Once you're satisfied with the edit, simply save your work and enjoy the fruits of your creative endeavor. And that's it, you've successfully erased part of an image in Canva, opening up new possibilities for customization and creativity in your design projects. Keep exploring the tools available in Canva to further enhance your designs, and who knows what incredible things you'll create next. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.